everyone, Ned here with Ned's Tool Talk. So today we're gonna talk about Bosch 12 volt combo kit with a drill driver and impact driver. So what you will get in a kit is a drill, an impact, carry bag, so just a small carry bag, and a charger. I have it set up there already to start charging the batteries because I had to prep for the review. But you will get a charger. It's gonna be GAL 12 volt-40 charger, and from my experience it charges a 2 amp hour battery, which you get. So you get also two 2 amp hour batteries with this kit, and it will charge those batteries in about half an hour to 40 minutes, which is very good. Now the drills themselves they feel solid, very good quality. It's got a 10 mil chuck, so it only accepts up to 10 mil drill bits. It's got 2 speeds, 1 low speed high torque, and number 2 is high speed low torque. Speed wise it goes up to 1300 RPMs, made in Malaysia. So that's the drill. Impact driver is 1 speed only. It's got a nice LED twilight at the front, and it sounds nice. The feel in the hand, I must say I kinda do prefer Milwaukee because it's a little bit slanted towards the back. This is more like a letter T, more straight down. I don't know, I haven't used it much, we'll try, but it goes up to 2600 RPM in speed. Of course it comes with Bosch 2 amp hour batteries, 2 of them. Solid battery, I don't think there's gonna be many issues with that. So let's just move the box out of the way. So I prepped a piece of wood here. I wanna try and see how it's gonna cope with a couple of drill bits and some screws to see what it's capable of. Now I know this is not comparable to 18. This is not gonna be comparable to any 18 volt drills, but it's not intended to. This is more for, it is Bosch Professional, but I think it's more for home DIY use, maybe electricians. Now keep in mind, it's not gonna have as much power as Milwaukee, but also Milwaukee combo kit you will be paying between 450 and 500 Australian dollars, and this was only $247. So there's a big price difference there, but to be quite honest, for that price I think you get a very good product. So let's get some drill bits and see. Let's try with, what am I gonna try with? Let's try with, what's this, 8 mil. So 8 mil in wood. No issues here, of course, was to be expected. And 10 mil, I don't think it's gonna be any issues there either. Yeah, no problems. Now I wanna try something else. I wanna try Bosch Daredevil speed bits in this. It's got 13, 16, 19, 20, 22 and 25. Might try with 19. I'm fairly confident that 13 mil it can do no issues. So let's see. Yep. So 19 mil bogged. Try speed 1. It does 19 mil in speed 1. Let's go up to 22 mil in speed 1. It does that also. 25. It's not very happy, but it does it, which is, for this small drill, that's very impressive. Honestly, that is very, very impressive. Let's try an impact driver on a 19 mil spade bit. Now the collet, it's not, you can't just push and it'll lock. You need to pull and then it locks in. So let's see. Yeah, 13 mil, no issues. 22 mil. Let's see. Struggling. And 25 mil, I don't think it's gonna be a go, but let's see. He can do it, but it's not it. It's struggling big time. Now the second thing I want to see is how does it perform with some screws, and I need a Phillips bit. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna start with some just normal 30 mil chipboard screws, which is not an issue. Wasn't expecting it to be an issue. Super easy. Okay, so 50 mil chipboard screws. Easily done. Yep. These are 100 mil chipboard screws. And we're gonna try, I need a different bit. No, fine. So we're gonna try it here. It does it, but I'm gonna go from this side. Does it easily. Okay, impressive. Let's jump with the drill. The same screws, same scenario, because I know there's plenty of people that like to use the drill. It doesn't do impacting, and sometimes it's quieter. So 30 mil chipboard screws again. Okay, switch it to speed 2. Easy, does it easily. No problems. Easy. 50 mil chipboard screws. Beautiful. Beauty. And 100 mil. This might be a struggle. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Okay, that's impressive. Didn't expect it to go in that easy. Beautiful. That's my Milwaukee light flashing. I think the battery is quite low. Okay, so I've started test with fully charged batteries. Drill is on 2 bars and the impact driver is still on 3 bars. Okay, so what would I say? Would I recommend these or not? Again, considering the price of 247 Australian dollars, I think they are very good buy, considering that you get an impact driver, a drill, 2 amp hour batteries, a carry bag and a charger. Now again, what you're gonna use them for? If you expect some massive performance out of them and to use them to drill some massive holes and to keep going all day long, I don't think it's gonna happen. And I don't think that's what they were made and intended to do. But for some light use, for drilling a couple of holes around the house, making some small things, fixing stuff inside the house, I think these are well worth it. Especially at the price point. I honestly think they're amazing buy. So go to Total Tools, grab them for yourself. You won't regret.